Good evening, Namaste. I'm very happy to connect with all of you in this last edition of Sone Pe Suhaga. Since I spoke to you almost a month and a half ago, the COVID-19 situation in our country and across the world remains a challenge. As we slowly open up after nearly 3 months of lockdown, it is very important that all of us behave responsibly in order to contain and suppress this dreaded disease. Behave responsibly by practicing social distancing, by wearing a mask whenever we go out or interact with others, by practicing personal hygiene such as washing our hands frequently, and lastly by having nutritious food and staying fit in order to increase our immunity. In the midst of this difficult situation, all of us who are associated with agriculture are very fortunate, and we have to be very grateful that we are in this noble profession. Last year, after the late season rains which filled our reservoirs and raised the groundwater levels, we had an excellent Rabi crop. Now the monsoon has set on time and seems to be spreading uniformly across the whole of the country. Kharif plantings are one of the highest that we have seen in several years, and it is likely that we are heading towards an excellent Kharif crop. In addition to this, government has launched a number of initiatives in order to improve rural economy. Also, the changes that are being made to the APMC Act and the Essential Commodities Act are likely to transform agriculture into a very profitable profession in the mid to long term. In the short term, the COVID-19 migration is also bringing about a lot of changes. Rapid transition into mechanization of agriculture, into labor-saving crops and labor-saving cropping patterns such as direct seeded rice, and also higher usage of herbicides. Businesses that believe in innovation, bringing new technologies, and sharing knowledge with farmers to help them become more successful are the ones that will survive and thrive in these conditions. And this is exactly what PI is known for and strives continuously for. Inspired by science, with a passion for technology, PI has been in the service of farmers for more than 70 years and will continue to do so. Our products like Nominee Gold along with Legacy and Pymix offer a complete solution for paddy. Nominee Gold has become an indispensable tool in direct seeded rice, which is rapidly spreading across several parts of India due to labor shortages. PI also has one of the strongest pipeline of new products, and we plan to launch several new products in the coming years. The company has also made significant investments in digital technology, and this is what is allowing me to talk to you while under lockdown and while far away from you. It is also allowing my colleagues and other company representatives to reach out to the farmers, share expert advice so that the farmers can take the right decision in their cultivation practices. PI Mitra is a digital tool that was launched recently to help channel partners and retailers who are our partners in bringing this knowledge and bringing these new products to our farmers. Our high-tech spraying machines imported from Japan has been used in 5 states across India in COVID-19 sanitation efforts of municipalities and district administrators. Now these machines will support farmers in spraying their crops in the absence of labor. In all these efforts, you have been a reliable partner. I thank you on behalf of PI management for your continued support and trust. Together with you, we hope to continue our service to Indian agriculture. Now, I welcome you to this last edition of Sone Pe Suhaga. Congratulations to the winners of this final edition of Sone Pe Suhaga, and I look forward to seeing you all very soon. Stay safe and stay fit. Thank you. Namaste.